Well, that sucked. Hi, guys. That fucking sucks. I don't know what the hell that was about. Streamlabs just stopped working. Just completely stopped working. That was fucked up. Moose is like, first. What the fuck? I swear, man, it's like... I only had 1,800 on the first one, too. That was fucking crazy, too. How do you go from 6,000 to fucking... It's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, we're starting all over. No, Streamlabs shut down. It just quit working. Well, I'm still froze up. What's happening here? My charts aren't. Chrome isn't responding. Wow, dude. What is going on here? What the fuck is going on, yo? No, I'm not hacked, Moose. I have all kinds of shit on the computer. I'm not hacked. I have Defender, and it works, and all that. Alright, there's that. Even my fucking, my screensaver fucking... That was a couple days ago, my screensaver left. I wonder if that was that update I did. I did an update. Alright, let me pull this up over here. And this, do this. Oh, no, it's pulling it up there. What the fuck are you doing? This is the weirdest shit ever right now. Alright. Alright, let me minimize this and get back to the normal programming here. Holy shit, shnikes. Holy shnikes, what is going on here? Anybody want to buy me a new fucking computer? Jesus lovers. Alright. We are back. Y'all are gonna have to start all over now. Doesn't matter, my views were cut by what, 2, 4, 6. I only had 1/3 of the views that I've had. 5,500 on Monday, 6,000 yesterday, 1,800 today so far. Yeah, okay. Yup. Okay. I believe you. I believe you, YouTube. Alright. We are moving and grooving. Good deal, Ape. Yeah, I saw it was moving. Yeah, like 16% or something. Good deal, brother. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Thank you, guys and gals. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thanks, Boom. Not a computer, but here's a pizza. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Great prog call. Let's go. No, I'm not being hacked. I'm good. Fuck them. Smash the like. They don't want the knowledge spread. Yeah, everybody's like, you're hacked, you're hacked, you're hacked. They're coming. Too much information. Yeah, I thought I was going to have to, Angela, but I didn't, so I'm good now. I'm good to go. Seems like it. Yeah, I think it was an update that I did. Yeah, my Windows update. Are we even live, bro? Let's get those likes up for Chuck. Appreciate it, man. Let me get back in the control room here. See what's going on. Oh, shit. That was fun. Unreal. It's always something. Always something with this fucking YouTube shit. I'm telling you. Always something. 1 second here. Of course. Oh my God, man. Yeah, my computer is bugging a little bit. That pin? Okay. Wow, yeah, it is bugging a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reboot it here. Thank you, Kay. I saw that you posted that comment on the stream, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, audio. Oh, we probably don't even have any fucking audio listeners, unless y'all came in. What did we get back? 90 of y'all. All right. Well, we got 30 y'all back. About a third of y'all back. All right. Hey, KK, thank you. I saw you commented on it. Thank you. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, hey Tim, it's happened a couple times now. How do you see the SPY chart going short term, say around until February? Roberto, unless it diverts from this is what I see, brother. That's the 08, 09 overlay onto the SPY, onto the current SPY. That's what I see. Until it shows something different. Good to be back. Hell yeah, I mean. That was similar like when you have to go pee and the price goes up. Kinda, yeah. Yeah. Your little computer snoop made Amy go up. Yeah, I saw that like a pee break. Yep, we may go green. Yep. Maybe. Ah, Chopper, that sucks. I hate that shit, man. Not that you need my validation, but it still impressed me. Good deal. I appreciate that, Tony. I appreciate it, brother. Prague was a winner. Is that what y'all were saying? I was trying to read the. Oh, why did I do that? I was trying to read, and I thought I looked at it right before that happened. Why did it run after I looked at it or something? I thought it was going before that, wasn't it? Yeah, I mean, it was already kind of going, wasn't it? But it ran more. Yeah, up 19 and a half now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not right now, neighborhood. You can do it. I'm not going to do it right now. Volkswagen is a completely different thing during the 08 market compared to what AMC. Yeah, they're completely different. The macro, anyways. I haven't dove into it to see. Not a computer, but here's a case of brews. Take off the edge. Thank you, Swift. But they're completely different macro setups entirely. But the micros might be similar, or mids, you know what I mean? 1 hour, 4 hour, that might be something to look at down the road. But yeah. All right, Jimmy boy, you're next. Let's go. Jimmy owes us one. It's been a while. Feels like it has been anyways. SNDL trying to finally do something. It needs to. Fed talk is tomorrow at noon, Chris. Everybody smack that like. Thank you, Jacob. Yeah, all 126 of you. Man, did I miss comments or something? Dude, I can't even do this. It feels like it's Streamlabs fucking up right now. I don't want to miss them more. Yeah, I missed some of these. Okay, somebody told you were kicked out of. Yeah, because my stream crashed, brother. Streamlabs went down. YouTube booted me off twice today. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. It's happened a few times in the past, but no, I think it's deliberate. I do too, man. There's more to it. You know what I mean? Like the combination of everything that's happening right now. I don't know if YouTube's having issues or if this Streamlab thing was random today, I think, but the YouTube stuff is a whole nother story. But that's the first time Streamlabs has ever crashed on me, ever. But I'm sure it's software. I'm sure it's gonna happen. It's acting funny right now when I'm trying to scroll through the chat. It's acting funny. But all right, I'm caught up. Sure, Chris. What's the next box top on Prague? Not for a while, from what I remember. somewhere in here. It's going to be on this line though. Gotta wait for the full W. This is just a little mini W. Chances are this is going to come back down and make a larger, like a scaled to the size of this box top. I mean, realistically, you could look at this two different ways. You can look at it at how I have it, with these two being one big one, right? Or you can look at it as one little one here, a W, a blow up, one little one. This was a W and a dissolve down into another one and a W. But either way you look at it, you got to keep your depth perception in check, or you're just going to start seeing them everywhere. But being on the 4-hour time frame, this is not a W. So on the 4-hour time frame, what I would expect would at least be something like this, which would put this in a little bit more perspective, right? If it were something that looked like that versus this tiny little thing compared to this, even compared to this, that's not a W down there. We just zoomed in and looked at it. So even for that little thing, I would expect it to potentially pull back before it does this. You know, but when you drop down, the thing is, when you go where this is 4-hour look, so to look at it smaller, we have to go in. So let's go into the 1 hour and look. There's the 1 hour. It's not even a W. I mean, really, it isn't. It is and it isn't. Yeah, I still feel like this thing's probably gonna come back. Even if it's in an ascending way. I mean, only time will tell, but I don't see well, I guess right there it is. Kind of, sort of, right there. I see it now when I zoomed out a little bit, right here. So that could be it on like this one, because you have one here, up, box top down, another one here, up, box top down, here, up. So if that's the case, let me see if I can find a third on this one. Yep. 1, 2. Let's go conservative in case I missed. We call 1, 2, 3. I would expect something like that, and then that's where you're going to get your double bottom, your double for the bigger move, because there's a bigger move that's coming on the macro look, right? And that'll create a bigger W with another box top, and it may even, unless it's one of these, unless it dissolves, right? Like this one did, W, move up, and then it box tops lower, right? But I went ahead with the third there. Hopefully it doesn't continue like major downside like it just did, right? It can always do that too. But the macro at some point is going to, the macro third at some point is going to be up here. But it could do either one of these. After it box tops, it could fall just like it did on this one, even further down. Or it can make another little W here, which would create a bigger W for the move up to the macro one. It's all going to depend on where the next W, where it starts to build it out at. Whether it's here or whether it's, you know, down further. This drop down before the next bottom is going to determine that. So I'll leave that up for when we come back to it. I'm going to turn that red, something like that, and then, and or, if that's the case, the third would be down here somewhere, and then it would do that. So something like that. One of the two. Okay? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. This was, I went conservative, and I was close. Uh, uh, Yeah, I have Tyrone, but we'll look at it. I just happened to look down and see your. Oh, I did it on the wrong chart. That is the 1 hour. There is a W there. It made a move up. Looks like it's making a mini box top. Again, kind of the same setup. I talked about this earlier. It looks like it might make a double-double, potentially. If we're lucky, it'll make another W here. Depending on how far the linear time it takes to do that will determine how high it goes. But BBIG is a little different. It's showing me this one. I'm just gonna go with it. It does. I've done this before where I second guess it and it ends up being okay. But maybe something like that. If it gets the move back to $6, it'll stop there. Maybe. Hopefully it doesn't go into the macro descending like I talked about earlier. Where's that chart at? Oh, I'm not pulling that up. I don't want to crash Streamlabs again. The macro descending, what I'm talking about is this. BBIG has this tendency to have a run up, a box top, and it bleeds down into a descending wedge before it makes the W again, before its next run up. And then it makes another box top, right? And then it's in this big one here. And then it bleeds itself back down. It had another pop here, which was mapped out by the last one. And then I mapped that one out because it box topped here, W'd here, and then we hit this one and had it mapped out, waiting for it. So I'm just hoping it doesn't go into another little descending wedge like all of these ones that it's been in over and over and over again. As long as that doesn't, I could see that third projection, that box top projection working out like that. But we'll see. I need to look at it a bit. Oh, wow. I must be way behind, or you guys are getting delayed me talking. I just did what I do not have the best chart of it. Yes, it does not look similar. Oh, it looks like that thing just slowly ran up for like 2.5 years before. The Volkswagen squeeze? Volkswagen. Huh? 24%. Let's go, Prague. Congrats to everybody in Prague. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Is that it? Or is it? Oh, it's this one. All right. Lord help me. I'm having a rough day. Yeah, Tyrone, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow at noon. Yep. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, I did. I mean, it climbed, but once it got to a certain point, then it just took off. But yeah, it did, but totally different setups. Let's look at 08, 07, 08, 09 real quick. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing there. I don't think that we can draw. I mean, from a charting perspective, I don't think there's anything there that we could draw at all, other than like a technical charting perspective, other than like an emotional charting perspective to see, to take in and have perspective on. You can have this grind up, grind, when it does decide to go and how quick this went and how quick it came back down. Those are the things, the key takeaways for me when I think about that. So, yeah. But from a technical charting perspective, I don't think there's a whole hell of a lot to be able to use comparatively at all, bro, to be honest. But, I mean, man, to take away, for me, what I take away is, holy shit, I know this was slow, but when it went, it went. You know what I mean? And then as fast as it went up, it come down probably twice as fast. So I would almost rather have this. I know a portion of me, the greedy Chuck, wants to have something like this, and think I can get out. I can get out. I know I can get out. I know I can get out and make a ton of money on something like this. But the reality is I may not. And I know that as well. So I would and I want it fast like everybody else does, but I know I'm willing to wait. So I would prefer something like this. But, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Really appreciate you taking a quick look at that. Means a lot. You are here for the people. Yes, sir, I am. I am the people. Literally. I am, bro. I mean that. I don't say that just to hear myself talk, bro. I appreciate you acknowledging that, though, brother. And of course. Uh-oh, where'd my, what happened to my chart? There it is. There it is. Here you are, Jimmy, you dirty rascal, you. Does Bitcoin died again because it lost 80% of personality? My answer is not need to do double bottom time coming soon. It will pop so good by using January start strategies. Okay. Did he really, Tyrone? Chuck needs to pee. Like, now, go, hurry up, get out of here. I just looked at Prague. Alex, where were you? Of course I can for you, bro, but where were you, bro? I've been looking at Prague. I called Prague. Everybody's like, look at the runner, look at the runner, look at the runner, look at the runner, look at the runner. Thank you, neighborhood. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Here, A money. A money. Hey, must be the money. All right, there's intraday. Still ripping. Still ripping. Still ripping. Still ripping. Bro, I've looked at it like 30 times, I swear to God. Every 15 minutes. Hey, man, can you look at Prague? Hey, man, can you look at Prague? Hey, man, can you look at Prague? Hey, man, I know you've probably been asked this a million times, but I don't give a fuck. Can you look at Prague? You know, all day. All day.
Let's go.
All day. 10-4. Let me go do that real quick. Thank you, brother. I'll put it in there. The AMC GME. I'm going to put it in the description because that's what they told me. Hashtag description. I'll do it in the title too. Fuck it. Save. Thank you, my brother. Let's see what happens. I just did it, King. I just did it. Here you go, A Money. I just went over this and got real technical with it. I pulled the third. Here's the 4-hour look off the box tops. On the reversal, W, box top up. You can look at it like minis or take a step back here on the 4-hour and look macro. If it's macro, it's going to need a double-double to fulfill up to the third because it's so small and compressed. And that's the 4-hour. So for that 4-hour move, macro move to the next third, it's going to need a double-double. But you come down in here, it's already giving you on the 1 hour, it's already, you can look at these minis, right? It's already giving you one. And right here is the third, so it's about to hit it. It may have already hit it, or it's close to it. Let me get real technical with it here. It's real close to getting stopped right now to the next box top, and then it's either going to have a dump down far like it did here and continue to the downside, or it's probably going to box top and make the double-double right here, which would then give the bigger move to the macro third, if that makes sense. Okay? Capiche? No, you don't have to apologize, brother. See you tomorrow, Chuck. See you tomorrow, chat, and good luck. Thanks, Steve. See you tomorrow, brother. Love you, brother. Love you too, brother. That's why I'm here all day, every day. I know, man. That's why I look for you, brother. Of course. Thank you, man. Yeah, I can pull up SDC. We've looked at that a million times today, too. Let's check it out again. Where's it at? Is it still ripping? Did I get it like a zit on my head or something? I don't know. SDC. Yep, it's still ripping too. SDC needs some help. This is the one, I remember this one. It's in a macro descending wedge, just a giant descending wedge, and it hasn't found its bottom yet. So hopefully what it's experiencing right now is it's going to need way more than that. On the larger scale, this 20% move for SDC is really, really, really small, as you can see. That's the daily chart. So this 21%, 22% move, super small for what needs to happen here. But when you go in and take a look at it, oh, is that all I got? Let's go to 4-hour. I mean, it's doing the same thing that Prague's doing. It's in a box top W, blow up. Same thing, W, blow up, box top, down, W, blow up, box top, down, W, dissolve, down, W, blow up, box top, you could call this all one if you wanted, back down, W, dissolve, back down, and it looks like it's maybe making the W now, it's getting its move up. Or, excuse me, this is all one bigger one here. It's the same setup as Prague. Same exact setup. Different thirds, but same exact setup. So if I called that the third, 1, 2, 3, it's this. Ooh, that's no bueno. Alright, that can't be it. So this is one of those missing ones that I lay right on top. One bar down, lay it right on top. Well, I take that back. Right there it is. That was another one with another dissolve. Down, W. 1 hour. Yeah, this is same thing as Prague. It's setting up for a good reversal, I think. It's pinching itself off. When the box tops start tapering themselves into nothing, that's what happens. No, that's it. That's it for Prague on the micro. It may create the macro, but that's it for it on the micro, according to this. So if it's going to make that bottom for the larger move and reversal, once it box tops off here, the next W needs to be higher than this. So if the next W is not higher than this, it's in trouble. That means it's going to just go back down. If it's higher than this, where it makes the W, that's indicating a reversal. That's indication for another small W. And then the next thing to confirm that would be the next box top be higher than this. So you would want the next box top to be higher than this one. And then you would get your next box top. Let's see. 1, 3. Wherever the third is, you would want it to be probably just like that. And then the same thing here, you would want, and then you'd want to grind up to get going, to get that move up. So it looks like it's going to box top here, come back down, make a consolidation, and then or it's going to drop, right? What I would want for confirmation and continuation to the upside is it's got to make it above this line. If it falls down below the red support, it's screwed. It needs to make a W up above here, and then make the confirmation would be to make the next box top higher than the previous one. And then if it does that, here would be the move up from there. Boom. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is the last one I have. I mean, I backed out and redid it because it was more of a macro. We morphed into a bigger W, which I said would bring us a bigger move to the upside. I showed you guys all that in real time. We were in here charting all these small ones. And I said when we were doing that, what this started looking like, and I stopped putting lines on the chart, it looked like it was morphing itself into a bigger W to make a bigger move to the upside for the more mid-sized third pool. So that's exactly what it ended up doing. I backed out of here. I erased all the small ones and showed you how that happened. And here it is. You can see it, the bigger W, right? And then it morphed itself into this larger scale W, larger than the box tops that we were, that it was printing and we were mapping prior to that. And then it made the bigger move to the upside to this mid-sized third, and it's box topping there. Now, this will determine, if this drops out here, it'll determine whether or not I can pull you could have pulled a test third from here, but you have to come the whole way down here. And this would have been like a tentative third, and it's almost impossible to get it, but 1, 2, 3. The tentative third would have been like here, from the previous W, because it looks like it might be zeroing back in, like pinching back into another reversal or a continuation to the upside. You're only going to know that is if this box top holds up. But you already have the third there for the next one if it doesn't, right? So if the box top holds up here on AMC, you'll get your move back down. If it doesn't, it should consolidate out around this third to hit it up here somewhere to make a higher box top to continue to the upside. Yeah, I looked at Sundial a little while ago. I can pull it up real quick though. So I hate putting these bottoms in. Just never, ever know. W. Box top. W. Box top. Like that. And this may have already made it on the 1 hour. Yep, it already made it on the 1 hour. So potentially that. Potentially that. Okay. There's your move to the downside. Should be. And it may spin around, but we'll see. Every day I watch you, it becomes a little clearer. Thank you. Awesome, Noda. You're welcome. Check LGVN. Don't know anything about it. Pump and dump. LGVN. Oh, shit. Looks like it. Short squeeze, pump and dump. I don't know what the facts are surrounding this, but yeah, it's definitely something along those lines. I mean, it's an IPO from when? 2019, 2021. So it's last year's IPO. The quiet time definitely didn't expire on it in my opinion. So it may have just been an after IPO pump on, maybe they released early news or something. But definitely those who had it here got out of it here, or pre-IPO got out of it here, obviously. But I don't know what the facts are surrounding it, so I don't know that. I don't know that for certain. You'd have to let me know, because I don't know anything about it. I never did go get fucking Tylenol. I said I was going to get Tylenol and I didn't. Time is at 2:30. Yeah, I need to go get some. Dude, what happened? What is going on? Yeah, I'm going to get some Tylenol. I never did get any. I told y'all I was going to get some, and then I didn't. I got my medicine drink, and then drank it, and then, yeah. So I'm gonna run and grab some Tylenol real quick. I'll be back in like a minute and a half. We'll see if it happens. It's looking like downside, but it is forming a little compressed W here, so we'll see. But I'll be right back. Right back. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, it did work. It did. Waterfalls, dripping sink. Asshole. It did work. There she goes. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. ATER is up 5%. False. I did, yeah, Joe. I started out with crypto before I ever got into stocks. And then I made some money and I lived off of it for a minute, and then I took all my crypto money out except for a little bit of XRP. And I had to live off it, and I had to use it for an array of reasons. I got sick and was on bed rest and got diagnosed with cancer and a bunch of different stuff, so I needed money. I took my crypto money out, and then after I was on bed rest, my second surgery, I just stayed out of crypto, and I put my money into AMC and GameStop and a couple different plays, and learned how to scalp options and things like that. So, but I still hold a little bit of XRP. Hey Pete, I haven't even had a chance to look, bro. I've been looking at all kinds of other tickers today. I don't believe we've validated or invalid. We maybe, I don't know. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't, I don't think so. I mean, we've moved about 3% net for the day from where we started. So I really don't think we've done much damage in that way. But I'll check here. I'll check here. Hate to hear that, brother. God bless you, man. You're a blessing to us. Thank you, Joe. I appreciate that, man. God bless you too. No worries, sweet pea. It's okay. Thank you, Isla. I appreciate that, Isla. Here, I can pull these off and check. I gotta erase all this stuff to be able to see the chart. That's all right, Pete. I don't know if you missed the my live stream got freaking my Streamlabs crashed, and I had to start a new stream. That's a comparison to Lazarus. That's a comparison. So it's definitely starting to look like this, maybe, right? This was our bounce down yesterday, our bounce back up into here, our bounce back down, and then back up for the second top, and then back down, and now we're swinging back around right here. So it is looking like that. Let's look at this one. That's the bullish one. And this is the bearish one. It's getting there, y'all. Like, this thing here is if I could keep it straight. See, this one doesn't have the curl up, right? This one was down, which we got here, down, back up, back up, back down, which back down we got, and then this starts curling up, where this one, again, back down. It does have one candle back up and then down, but it doesn't have this to it. But again, this needs to be looked at on more of a macro time frame. So here's what I can say about it. Initially, right now, on a mid time frame, it looks like it could be the snake bullish, the snake head bullish right now. That could change because macro is going to eventually, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next 4-hour candle, I think, let me look. It's really close, Pete. And that's if I have it positioned properly. It's really, really close, man. It's really close to validating the bullish snake rather than the bearish double-double. Like, it's really, really close, man. Damn, why are those so dirty? What happened? I don't really want to jump on it right now, but it is getting getting very close. Getting very, very close to be able to take a look at it. January 6th, Michael. January 6th. After hours. But yeah, I'm with you, brother. It's been a minute. It's like a real good green day. It's been a minute. Yeah, right now it's looking more like this. I'm not ready to stand on it in its entirety yet. But it's sure starting to look that way. And again, if I have these placed correctly, and I mean, I feel pretty good about the placement. The only way that curl up would make any sense I'll have to mess with this, but the only way that curl up would make any sense would be as if it was like here. If that placement of that was there, and I'd have to see if I could get it to place there, was there, and it would indicate, let's see, this, like that. See what I mean? How just one little shift in that changes everything. Look how perfect that is. So I'll have to look at the placement of it, but the way I've been placing it, and I'll have to see if I can get this to set itself in there the rest of the way. It doesn't do it here, but I'll check it out. I'll check it out here later tonight. This would be the only way, I think, at this point, that this thing would validate this as being the next macro move. That'd be the only way. The only way. So, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out, brother. We will see. We will see. Right. Oh, shoot, man. Yeah. Whoa. All right. All right, there we go. Hi, Pam. How are you? Oh, yeah, it's enough for me, Michael. It's plenty enough for me, brother. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. What'd you say, Wasted? What were you talking about? Another dip? What do you mean, have I been factoring it in any way? Bro, you've been around me enough to know that I have? Are you kidding me? I'm one of the only people that was putting out a fucking bearish fractal projection 2 weeks ago. Down to $7.50. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's definitely on the table, my friend. That's the one we just looked at, broski. We literally just looked at. But yeah, a liquidity rate. You know, it's one last. I thought you were here earlier when I went over what I think could potentially be going on. Maybe you weren't. I thought you were, but yeah, bro, I'm with you. And that is the bearish macro comparative fractal that I've been showing for. I don't know. Is Sharon in here? Sharon, how long have I been showing that? Or Ange, or Jen, or anybody that's in here that knows. Or JJ, or Alex, or AP, or AV, or anyone. I've been showing that bearish fractal for quite a while, brother. Quite a while. No problem, Wasted. Yeah, no problem, brother. Again, bro, I've been putting that video out repeatedly. I've been talking about. I got my ass beat by the community for putting out a $7 or lower bearish bearish outlook, and then look what's happened, you know. So yeah, bro, I appreciate that, bro. Showing it for a while. Thank you, Ange. Yep, showing it since everyone else was bullish. Thank you, Hate Me. Yeah, it's been longer than a week, Rob, but thank you. About 3 weeks. Yep, Pete, thank you. It's been at least a month. Yep. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been the total bearish macro. Yeah, it's been a minute. No worries, no worries. Thank you guys for chiming in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was busy with work, but yes, the bearish fractal has been a while. And boy, the shit storm when you posted it. But look at it now. Yep. Yep. Not sure the time frame, but Chuck, has been a while. Yep. That's why I said the other day in the video the other night, and I said everybody wanted to try to clown me and everything. I said, look where we're at now. You know what I mean? If people could close their lips for a minute and listen, and you would learn so much, and just be receptive. You know what I mean? I know it doesn't fit the narrative that you want. That's not what I want either. But you know? Yeah, I'd love it, Duke. I'd love it. I'm not gonna lie. I would love it. I am not gonna lie. I said that here on this channel, if that bitch drops to 750, we're gonna be celebrating. I promise you that. We're not gonna be sitting here boo-hooing and, oh, Adam Aaron's an asshole and what. Fuck all that. We're gonna be sitting here celebrating, loading the boat. Loading the boat. Trust and believe that. It will be a celebration if that thing goes to 750. Because if it does, I know it's gonna go, touch, and go. And we're gonna be loading up. So I said that way back when. I said, let them take it down there. We're gonna, two things. We're gonna be ready for it, and we're gonna make more money on the way up. Because it's gonna give us an opportunity to load up again. So yeah, for sure, Pete. For sure. Me too, Hate Me. Me too. I'm sitting on it, waiting. I'm waiting. I timed my bottom perfect the other day. I got in at 1450. Yeah, I'm in it to win it. You know, Chuck, shit's kind of weird. When I try to Google you to pull your live stream, not sure why, just thought I'd let you know that, brother. What's weird about it? And Google or when you actually just search on YouTube? Well then, I've been out all day. What's the word, mockingbirds? Time to load up, Chuck. Sorry. No, Ivan. No, I was just talking about it if it goes down to 750, bro. If it goes down to 750. The spot, can you show? Yeah. Who's that? Hassan? What's up, Hassan? Yeah, man. There she be in all of her glory. There's the macro view. I'll zoom in here in a second. And see how this thing's been following. And here we are. This is 4 hour. And what did I say earlier, gang, when we were down here in the other stream? Do you remember? I said, are we going to fill this gap? We going to fill this gap? I said it like 5 times. We're going to fill this gap, going to fill this gap, and look what we're doing. We're filling this gap. Just like I said. Yeah, it's following it, brother. Yo, I literally said, are we going to fill that gap? From way down here. Your boy is spot on today. Spot on today. Yep, but that's it. Okay? Get it? Got it. It's good. Always go 5. I was so used to going to 5. Now I got 1 minute up. All right. It's not. That's not what I was talking about, bro. That was the spy, Dev. That was the spy. Power hour. Power hour. Let's get some power hour muscle emojis or something in the chat. 1 hour to go, T-minus 1 hour. Whatever power hour means to you, put it in the chat as emojis. And then smash that freaking like button. What are we doing? We got 100 and something people. They haven't even hit the like button. This is the second attempt at my live stream today because I got kicked off. My Streamlabs crashed. Kicked me off. Let's go. Wasted. I see you, brother. You're welcome, Hassan. Appreciate it. All right, Rico Boomin. I see you. Appreciate it, George or Jorge. Appreciate it. I see a couple of y'all did, what, 39? We had 6. Now we had 8 people hit it. Like the like button. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah, we had to start over today. We had to start the live stream all over again. Start it all over again. I just did a full breakdown of the fractal updates, Medina, on both of the AMC macro fractals. We just dug into them and looked at them. Just got done less than 5 minutes ago, brother. I will dig into them in the update video tonight. I will break those down, go into the micro, we'll zoom in on the macro like I always do. I gotta keep y'all coming to these videos, man. I can show you my views have went from 6,000 views on every video to the last 2 videos didn't even make it over 2,000, and last night's didn't even make it over 1,500. So I need to get people to keep coming to these videos, man. This YouTube thing is slowly coming to a grinding halt and not being worth the effort out here like it had been at the beginning. So I need to get this thing to, we need to get everybody moving to these videos. Alright. I see all the emojis. Thank you all, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hit the like button. Thank you, Jay. Boom boom time? I hope so. Not right now, though. Okay, I answered you, Medina. Why I don't believe the AMC Moon in Crash bullshit. It follows Spot a lot. Yeah. Again, I respectfully disagree with you, my friend. Negative beta is a real thing. I believe it'll initially have a move to the downside with the SPY, but that's when long-term beta kicks in. Go watch my Dollar Tree 2008-2009 SPY, 2008-2009 AMC SPY currently. I did a video about them and showed how it acts and reacts to negative beta and how AMC may act and or react in the same way because of its current positioning being in a what I call the trenches. Go check that out. I think you'll think differently after you watch that. Thanks for understanding, Medina. Okay, Ange. Brilliant projection find on the SPY. Thank you, Isla. Yeah, I don't think so, Wasted, but my Streamlabs froze up. Stripogram to Chuck for the live feed. That'd be funny. Discord link is in the description, homemade. In the description of all the videos and the live streams. It's in there. Thanks, Medina. Yeah, I just spent like 30 minutes on it, bro. I appreciate you understanding that. It doesn't say how many are watching, and it says stream started 18 seconds ago. Wow. Are you posting it too late in the evenings? No, what, my update video? No, between 6 and 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I get done here, I go take a break, I eat dinner, I hang out and decompress for about a half an hour, and then I make the video, and then YouTube takes their good old fucking time uploading it, but I get it out between 6 and 7, sometimes 7:30 in the evening. Thank you, Duke. If you watch all of them, what do you mean? You know, or do you watch them at a different time? You probably watch them at a different time. I share a video and tell everyone to get their butt in here, but you know, it's their choice, their loss. Yeah, like, listen, I talked to that SEO specialist, and I mean, he said, listen, bro, you're getting suppressed. He said, your footprint is everywhere. Go into any live stream, any chat, you go into a bunch of Discords, the AMC Discords. I've seen you in AMC Facebook pages. Your digital footprint, your name is everywhere. Extreme Gains is everywhere in the community. So for your numbers to be sliding as bad as they are, and the numbers are fugazi too, and we have proof of it. Discord members have screenshotted things like Devin was just saying. The numbers have been skewed for over a month. Well, almost the whole time. Ever since I hit like 3,000 or 3,500 followers and subscribers on here, it changed. And I hit 4,000, and then it really changed. And I've been stuck now. And my views are just drastically going down on everything. Everything. But I appreciate y'all doing that. Oh, I appreciate it. FYI fam, first time I have ever experienced a like being taken away. Oh man, I just had to like the stream again. Wow. Really, bro? See what I mean? What the fuck is going on, dude? This shit is crazy, man. It pisses me off because I work really hard to, you know, make this. Just pisses me off. Can you give your opinion on KSS? I can't, not to that, no. I mean, when I know you have holding something and you ask me to give you my opinion on something, it makes it a little fucked up, you know what I mean? If I don't know you're holding anything and I just, what are your thoughts on this or whatever, that makes it a little bit different. As well as knowing that I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is or ever will be financial advice. Ever, ever, ever. Please don't take it as such. But when somebody has a position in it and asks that, it's obvious. That makes it very, very, very crystal clear they're looking for financial advice, whether they say, I'm looking for financial advice or not. So keep that in mind. I'm not going to say a word to you. I'm just going to put some lines on here. And if you understand my process at all, you'll get the hint. You'll get what I'm thinking just by looking at my lines. One, two, three. Wow, that's going to be a hard one, but I think it's, I don't know, that's going to be a rough one. A really rough one. That's the macro. I'm just going to stay out of that. Leave it there. You know, how am I supposed to even fucking... One hour. Some of these are rough, man. Holy hell. Okay. No, Isla, it doesn't. I reached out to them and I got the like level 1 customer service, whatever bullshit. 50 people when I'm doing something like that. I'm so tired of the YouTube shit. You can't get anywhere with those people. You really can't. Man, that sucks, JJ. I'm glad you made it here though. Got your shit done. That's awesome. Same here. Had to stream again. You wouldn't be suppressed if you were wrong. Yeah, no, that's right, Matt. I agree. To the Rumble, but wherever you are streaming. Thank you, Hate Me. Appreciate that, brother. What's up, Alan? Welcome, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, that doesn't surprise me at all, Pete. That goes back to the old video that I was in. Whoa, where are you going, Jimmy boy? Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Where are you going there, buddy? I like it. Jimmy, let's go. Come on, buddy. I need you. Come through for me here. I went heavy on you this time around. Let's go. Let's go. Tsunami, yeah. It's in that W on the first leg, looking like it might bounce up into the middle of the W. That's what I believe it's showing. Awesome, JJ. I hope it works out for you, brother. I lose my chat and got circled out about 3 times today. What the hell? Mine was off too, but you did restart the stream. I'm sure I was rushing so fast to get over here. I don't know if I liked it or not. I think I did. Thank you, Isla. The snake is looking very nice. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I was showing, though, depending on the placement, I have to mess with that macro fractal. There's only one place that it curls up like AMC's doing right now on its macro. There's only one spot in that macro or the macro bearish one that exhibits that move. So I'm gonna have to just make sure. I tried to place it there real quick and look, but I'm gonna have to check it out and make sure that that's not where we're at in that as well. But we'll see. But yeah, it does. It looks good. Ever chart ride, Chuck? Say what, Noda? I've been down on 3600 share SNDL. Nice to see it coming back. Yeah, I know a lot of people are probably feeling that way with SNDL. Oh, have I ever charted ride? I don't think. Definitely not in this format. Did I do it here? There's the SNDL box top for you guys and girls that were talking about SNDL. There it is right there. Well, it's got a ways to go if it's going to continue. The third that I found's there. Got the W, the move up. So we got 1, 2, and then 3 down here. I probably could be a little more conservative with it. 3. Mm, 56 cents, something like that. Ride, you said. I don't think so, Noda. No. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Crash. No, thank you. No, thank you on that one. Not yet, anyways. If it finds a bottom, it wouldn't be a bad entry. It's gotten fucking absolutely hammered. $2.18. Holy man. Yeah, it has, Noda. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it'd probably be a great entry. I mean, but they got to do something. I mean, they got to start making some vehicles or something. And you see what happens, though, like, you see what happens when they don't do that. I mean, the whole EV thing, I think, got blown way out of proportion. And everybody was trying to get in on the next Tesla, you know? And I think that was the mindset of a lot of people. And I think that's the result of what you're seeing here, in my opinion. But, yeah, I mean, if they got some shit coming, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what their institutional buy-in looks like or anything like that. So, but from a charting perspective, no thank you. Well, I appreciate that, Six Son. Appreciate that, brother. Looks like my cook chart. Yeah. Yeah. Good hopefully I'm supposed to be opening up. Thanks. You're welcome, Noda. Fisker. I can take a look. T minus, what, 34 minutes? 34 minutes? What's Fisker? FSK, I think, or something. What did I type the whole thing in? FSR. All right. That's a little better. As long as the As long as that holds up. Okie dokie. That, man. That there's what I'd be looking at. Something like that. Macro box top? Where? On what? On what, Lynn? There goes my neck. Finally. Finally. Alright. Like, I've looked at Arcimoto before. Yeah. Not here, but I've looked into them as a long term a little bit. Yeah, I remember you saying that, Jen. Welcome, Moose. Yeah. I don't know about, I mean, it would have to hold up its bottom, you know? I mean, it would have to hold something in that area for a bottom. Right there, it got its bounce. Something like that. Mystery 30 viewers, what's coming and going? Uh-huh. All the time. Every day, every day, every day. Yeah, thanks, Chris. Others have said the same thing. What's up, Yachty? A little more optimistic. Good deal, Boomer. Congrats, brother. Too embarrassed to even tell the ticker. I should have cut losses a long ago. Yeah, I think we've all had those, Jen, at some point or another. One of them. Most people have. I don't know anything about the earnings by them. I don't really follow Microsoft. Um, I've played some Apple and Microsoft and Cat. Oh, I've scalped all three of them at one point, but I don't know anything about their fundamentals to comment on that at all. Sorry, man. Welcome, my bro. Yep, that's it, Jen. It's all about keeping it moving. All about keeping it moving. Can I get all y'all to hit that like button if you haven't already? I think, what do we got, 30 of y'all that haven't yet? Imagine that, 30 people that haven't. Let's see if 30 people hit it now. Oh, that's 6. We got 6 people. Always 30. I know, it's fucking crazy. I know I mean, I know I have a crazy side to me, but I should find something with 30 to make a play on or something. I swear. I swear I should. 30 is my magic number, I'm telling you. Definitely is. T minus 22 minutes. T minus 22 minutes. I have looked at more fucking tickers today than I have in the last month. Shoot. I don't even remember what all I looked at. I looked at so many. All good too. Thank you, brother. All good. Do bots have fingers? Obviously not. At least I think 10 of them do, because 10 people liked, so. I am tuckered out. I am today. Today whooped me. Taking time to look at all that and chart all those things out like that. I bet you I charted 30 fucking charts, 30 tickers today. I try not to get into all that, but yeah, I did it today for whatever reason. Slow day, bunch of sideways bullshitting around. I mean, we got a little bit of a move up, and just tons of volatility. I mean, we're fucking pretty much flat. You know what I mean? We got tons of volatility, but we're flat. So I charted a bunch of shit for people today instead of just sitting here fucking around with box tops, which was good. I had it all box topped out, and I had this one set up earlier. I took it off to look at the macro and for like the 12th time. So I took them all off, but we had this one up already. And once I saw it double, triple top, and I knew we were here for a minute. So, but hope that gave some insight into box top for those of you that may or may not have seen that leading up to all the box top charting today from a macro perspective. So hopefully that helped a little bit. Oh yeah, BIG looking to move again. There goes Jimmy boy. You're welcome, Isla. Thank you. $42 Bitcoin years ago and sold during the first run up. Definitely didn't sell at the top when my wife got cancer. That way I could stay home from work 3 years to bring her health back. 150K. Aw, man. Money's all gone now. Hoping AMC can help now. Me too, brother. I hope so too, brother. I hope so too, bro. And we all just love you that much more for doing it, Chuck. Thank you, Ange. If only everybody did, Ange. Sometimes I make it hard, you know? That's just to see if anybody's really on board. Thank you, though, Ange. Thanks, Rakan. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate your heart and your brain. Thank you, my friend. Yeah, that's what you said, Pete. Amen. It is the most important, brother. Definitely is, brother. Board tires will squeeze when it squeezes, and it will squeeze when they are forced to cover. Not sure why there's no margin call. Yeah, I agree, Ryan. Yep, I agree, brother. Here's the problem, though, is people have forgot that they have, like, you can figure out how to trade and make money while you wait. And I've been doing it the whole time, and a lot of the people that are involved here in this chat and in my Discord have been, and if they haven't, they are now. And people tend to forget that. They get so caught up in these plays. You can chart it, and that's what you do. I spend time mapping out the algos and stuff, but people forget that, like, you have an opportunity every single day to make money. Even if you start with 50 bucks. People say, well, I'm all in on AMC and GME. All right, well, you got $50 that you want to throw at something, and we'll start compounding it. You know, like, learn to do something. There's just so much being left on the table because of that mindset of the bored, and I'm tired, and I'm wore out, and I don't care, and you know. But hey, again, people teach their own. But I agree with you. Nothing's happening until either a market event or they're forced to close, not cover, close. But same thing to me. But yeah, I agree. And I don't understand either. I guess I do understand. I mean, it's the whole rehypothecation bullshit and the bonds market and everything. They're all they're doing is aiding them in continuing to kick the can. So it'll happen. It'll happen. It'll happen at some point. As long as everybody can hang on, it'll happen. If people keep dropping off, like, you know, left and right, it's not going to happen. But so the whole key to this whole thing is people holding on. If people don't hold on, it's as good as done. As far as AMC goes, it's as good as done if people don't hold on. That's where there's more, in my opinion. This may ruffle some feathers, but it's my opinion. I feel like there's more weak people invested in AMC than there is in GME. I think the people that are invested into GME are, for the majority, not all, but the majority, there are some weak people in there as well. The majority of the people in GME are in it, and aren't going anywhere. And AMC has drawn such a wider, broader crowd that it's brought in people that aren't really in it. They were, but they get that exhaustion and they get that boredom and they say fuck it. Whereas GME didn't have that amount of people in it like that. So I think from that aspect, GME is a little bit of a stronger candidate for longevity if this thing were to be continued to be kicked down the road, let's say for another year. I think at that point AMC would probably fold just because people would say fuck it at some point. I mean, I have messages and come across people every single day talking about they're ready to just cash out, like let this bitch go to $40 and I'm out of it. I'm out of here. You know, if the numbers supersede, it's going to allow them a window to, and then not that it's not going to run, it's just people are going to miss. But it's, I think the stronger of the two plays under those pretenses, if this thing were to be kicked down the road longer, is without a doubt GameStop. But yeah. They'll let it go sour for years. That's the taste. Yep. Bro. Yep. That's what I explained with the GME chart, right? That's what they've done with the GME chart. I hope so, Ace. That's what they've done with that GME chart. It's just, and it literally displays that. It was pen it, then break out, and then oh nope, pen it, and then break out. Oh nope, pen it, then break out. Oh nope, pen it, and they just keep doing that, and they're gonna do that until they're forced to, or till the market event happens, till a crash or something happens. So I agree 100%. Thus Putin, he goes over everything, and over here goes up, including inflation. We don't manufacture shit anymore, so no more wartime economic. Yeah, Stick by, I'm with you, bro. I think GME is a better play. Not here to argue. There is no arguing. There's no bashing AMC. It's not about it being a better play. It's just when you think about it being a longevity play, from my perspective, that's what I wanted to talk about, it being a longevity thing. It's a no-brainer. Right now, in the moment, AMC could and is as good as of a play as GME, but the longer they drag these out, AMC becomes weaker and weaker and weaker of a play. And the ceiling, in my opinion, the longer they drag AMC out, becomes lower and lower and lower, which ironically is only going to help GME in the long run as well, because I believe they use a lot of liquidity rakes from AMC to support the containment and suppression of GME. So we'll see though how it all plays out. Box top works with all stocks or just meme stocks? No, it works on all stocks as long as they're displaying that fractal shape and pattern of box top, drop down W, box top, breakout, box top, drop down W. As long as they have that going on, it'll work. We need them to get in here and show them the truth and cleanse their learning past. You would be a total cure for them. Thank you, Isla. Jimmy, absolutist. Hundreds of hours of research. Love the company. Can you put the fractal back for AMC? The fractal's there. We're on the micro right now. I'm going to go over the macros in the video tonight, Sad. I've been over them 10 times today, brother. Tonight, come check the video out, the update video. I'll go over the full macro, the full thing to get ready for tomorrow. We'll do the comparison, see where we're at as far as validating and invalidating. We're just going to chill for the last 10 minutes. I haven't shown sold shares after making a 21 million bonus either. Yeah, none of that matters, JJ. That's that Maximus coming out of you. None of that matters. Time to get upbeat though. I'm upbeat. Chuck's channel is keeping the dream alive. Let's go. Thank you, Pete. If they aren't covering at 14 to 16, A, it's because they know it will go lower, or B, they can't cover. Yep. Facts. I don't care how long it takes. Anybody who sells out of fear should have never bought in the first place. Couldn't agree more, brother. You've heard me say a million times, if this shit scares you, if any of this literally makes you scared, you are in the wrong you're in the wrong arena. This should not scare you in any way. Like, that is not what scared is. I'll show you scared. I can tell you stories about being scared that I've been in. This is not scared. So if this scares you, you're in the wrong arena. The wrong arena. I don't know. I think emotions are high on both sides. Hopefully, you know what you have. You ain't so. Yeah. I disagree. With that, I think the emotions are high, but like I said, there's a lot of weaker people because they bought in on a whim and it was cheaper, right? They didn't buy in with GME for that reason alone, just because of the price, and it brought in and AMC's got way more holders than GME for that reason. That and its float, right? So. But yeah, I mean, emotions are high on both ends, but I can promise you, man, the GME people, and I'm one of them, the money play in the Chuck's Church box up. Thank you, Pete. And I'm one of them. And I can tell you just from a technical trader, from an algorithmic trader, and from somebody who knows money, I can tell you right now, those are my true, honest feelings, and I don't feel that they're anything off base whatsoever by saying what I said. I just believe that if they continue to kick the can, if they're allowed to do that, AMC could be in trouble as far as its ceiling. Doesn't mean it's not going to run up and have a run up. I just mean its ceiling, if it were to ever do something as extravagant as what we are all hoping for. And believe me, bro, I'm just as heavy in both of them. I am literally almost 50-50. So I want them both, man. Why we can't thank you enough for the educational content. Thank you, Jacob. I got kicked out of here 2 times today. So did I. So did I. Once. We can get this done with AMC, and I'm cashing in and buying silver for my long-term play. Don't trust paper. Problems all over the world currencies. Yep. Both will have their days. It's going to be incredible and bring a new era of Wall Street history books. Well, I hope so, brother. We're trying, right? I mean, I'm in it to win it too, man. But I'm gonna face reality, and that is what I've seen thus far. You know, you got to keep those things in the back of your mind and think if they can continue to do this. Which I don't think they're going to continue that long. There's got to be something on the horizon. Like, it's one of those things. Like, I don't even know. Like, the pressure. Like, something's got to break, right? Something has to give. The weight of this entire thing across the market is way too much. Like, something has to give. And it's just going to be which one happens first. But I believe either way, Matt, they're both going to have, yeah. As I said, I don't think in any way it's going to take it off the table. There's way too many synthetics in my mind. So I don't think it's coming off the table regardless. But I just think it lowers the ceiling a little bit if they were to drag it out. Whereas I think it does the opposite for GME. We will buy whatever the week sell if it keeps going. We have to. We have to, as retail as a whole, that's what has to happen. Yeah. Yep. Agreed. Hate me. Yep. 2 trips to Iraq and 1 to Afghanistan. There is no fear here. Agreed, Chief. I'm with you 100%, brother. Well said. Thank you, Be Cool. I was worried until I found Chuck. No, I love the color red. Hell yeah, dude. Same here, JJ. I feel so much more at ease with Chuck. Hell yeah, Ange. After military, it seems to be easy on the psychological part. Just need to hone this method and I'll be okay. Yep. Chief, you're dead on, brother. You want to see someone scared? Tell my wife that you aren't going to unload the dishwasher. Chief, as much at that point, you do what you need to do. And if Your ticket gets punched, so be it. LOL. JJ red is already my favorite color. I own both, and I agree. Yep, Dwayne, me too, brother. I'm 50-50. I mean, it's I want them both to go, man. I'm equally distributed right now. I'm losing way more on my AMC position than I am my GM, just because I didn't trust myself and I held on to those fucking baskets of freaking calls. I never should have done that. Half of them. I hung on to half of them. I should have never done that. I'd be sitting fucking A-OK right now if I wouldn't have done that. There you go, Ape Station. Agree. We have to be addressed so the market can move on. We are a huge elephant in the room. I agree. Yep. Yeah, it's too big. Too big. Structural engineering 101. You must have a solid foundation or it becomes weak. Amen. Chuck, but after the run-up, all the FOMO will kick in. Do you think that'll have an effect on people? No. No, Rakan. Nope. Nope. They're gonna dictate where it goes, man. Just like they did in January, just like they did in May. Just like I can show you proof of with the box top, that it was all pre-orchestrated. All of it. And then the FOMO, they store it, and then they have a wind down period, and then they pepper that in as we go, and that's what the consolidation is. It's them using volatility to the upside and the downside to pepper in the leftover. Until they dump out, then what they do before every run up is they dump it out like they've done to set it up for the run up and to take away from the ceiling. They do it like that every single time. You think SSR holding us not to fall down? No, SSR has nothing to do with anything, bro. No. Chuck, at the gym watching you on the treadmill, and the dude next to me asks, is that extreme gains? That guy fucking rocks. LOL. The movement is spreading. I'm dying right now. Get the fuck out of here. Are you serious? Tell him I said what's up. That's badass, dude. I'm screenshotting that. That's badass. That's really fucking cool. Hell yeah, man. But damn it, you spelled it wrong. So now my screenshot's with my name spelled wrong again. Man, I'm gonna have to do a class on. We're gonna have spelling class tomorrow, guys and gals. Spelling class. You guys are gonna have an exam tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Thanks, Bust. Yep, violation, Buster. There you go, Jacob. Let's go, Jacob. Call it out. Call it out. No, they didn't pepper shit. Yeah, I think that. Where's our volume at for the day? Where is the volume at for the day? These are the days that they do pepper some in. That's why we have this flat volatility like this. All this shit here. Yesterday, yeah, we had less today, obviously, but yesterday was a day that they did that. Yesterday was probably Fridays. If they're caught up right now, yesterday was Fridays, but I doubt they're even caught up. I know they're not caught up. There's no fucking way. This horse shit. Just horse shit. 40 million? Yeah, no. Yeah. Very, very little, if any. That is crazy, though, isn't it? That's badass. Jermaine, the same thing that's happened over and over and over again. They move them, they store them, they move them, they do. I mean, anything to kick the can, brother. It's been going on just over and over and over again. Yeah, tell them to smash that like button and don't skip leg day. That's funny. What a burger it is. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat again. Spelling class. Yeah, because people can't spell extreme gains, man. Let me spell it for you so everybody sees it in the chat. I'm going to spell it for you. Hold on a minute. My computer doesn't want to be a dick again. Here's an X. E-I-N-N-A. E-A-I-N-Z. Oh, I didn't want that to. like that, with a capital X TREMEGAINZ. Amazon endorses the GOP bill that would legalize marijuana on a federal level. That'd be badass. That would kick some things off, maybe. 45 minutes for instigating on that one. SPY volume high the last couple of days compared to prior days. Well, yep. Yep, because everybody's selling. They were selling into it. Oh, there's another violation. Jermaine. Damn. Damn. I'll give you gains, Yachty. You want to see gains, brother. Smart ass motherfucker. I'll show you gains. That footprint? What do you mean that footprint? It's literally right behind you. Yeah, I know, Kiefer. It's right behind me and still people spell it wrong. It's pinned to the chat and still people spell it wrong. It's on the screen on both fucking charts. They still spell it wrong. You ain't telling me. You're preaching to the choir, bro. I know it. I know it. I'm like, come on, man. Spell my name right. Damn, I'm going to start fucking up everybody's screen names. If somebody misspells my name, I'm going to start fucking everyone on purpose. Everyone's screen name's going to get fucked up, I swear. I'm going to start coming up with some good shit. Try to, anyways. Try to. 4 o'clock. Where's the bells? Are we done? Ding, 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 ding. It's right there on your watermark. I know. I know. It's on the chart. I know. Gains. There's your, all right, correction. Need to make it extreme gains and emoji. I don't know, though. No, shit. It's literally marked on everything here, and a sign's about to go up beside me with it on it. I know. It's on the watermark. I know. It's funny. No, they ain't yanking my chain. Not unless they put that dumb shit in there like like Yachty did. Alright, we are done for the day. We will, let's do a little round robin review here and see where we're at and go from there. And then we'll leave it be. I will put together a update video as always. And we will go from there. Nadine, you're going to get one of these. And Rufflesburger. Yeah. Right? I know. Alright. Real quick. I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of detail. But we will take a quick look. I'm going to pull the fractals off. I'll do that in the video because I need to reset them. I need to take a look at the bearish fractals positioning to make sure it is good to go. AMC micro on your left, macro on your right. Finished today down 3.73% at 1602. GME macro on your left, GME micro, or micro on your left, macro on your right. GME finished today down 0.36. It performed a lot better than AMC today, trading at $99.79. BBIG finished the day up 2.3%. Macro on your right. And micro on your left. Trading at $3.01. SPY ended the day down 1.19%. And IWM ended the day down 1.26%. And for those of you that jumped in on Prague today in the Prague call out in the live stream, y'all crushed it. Finished the day up 20%. For those of you that jumped on the DraftKings scalp and or the Beyond Meat scalp, both were winner chicken dinners. Perfect setup of the box top. So those were good as well. That was the day here, pretty much. Yeah, yeah, JJ, the sign even had to be corrected. Yep. All right, thank you, Doug. Appreciate it. When did you buy your first AMC? January 2021. January 2021. For a con, right? Sound like my mother. You're gonna get one of these. Microsoft Poopa. All I know is I'm going to order a Gaines pizza, extra pepperoni, extra cheese, and then I'll check D-Nut for box tops and see if I can make money for donuts. Hell yeah. Take care. Salute. See you in the morning. Right back at you, dog. See you in the morning. You can see the jump to 438 on spot. Yeah, let's look at it real quick. Sheesh. Yeah. They brought it right back down. Yeah. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, they went up and filled that gap, and on the macro, not filled it, but got into it and brought it right back down. So yeah. Spot dump if Microsoft does. Maybe. All right, Iowa, you too. On both what spreads? I'd have to pull up my other Weeble app to look at the options chain, brother. You have a good night. Get some sleep. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for everything. All right, Iowa, don't forget to watch the video. Thank you. Cheers, Yachty. Yep, cool, brother. January? Yeah, that's cool. Hell yeah. I don't know if they're out yet, Wildcard. I haven't heard anything. It'll definitely get things moving one way or the other, so possibly. Playing the tick just started racing 2 minutes ago before the close. The game stopped after, sitting like a turtle all day. Yeah, that's how it is every fucking day. All right, P-Dub, thank you, brother. I appreciate you so much, Chuck. Thank you for everything you do. Thank you, Ange. Thanks again, Nadine. Thank you. For me, chat. It's 9:04 p.m. here. Good night. Appreciate you, Dwayne. Thanks for the support, brother. Right, Chief. All right, y'all. Good to go. Good day. Good day. We had people hitting decent today, really good today. And, yeah, lots of volatility, lots of movement. But nonetheless, we were pretty much flat from open to close with the totality. So, I will get a video out like last night, like every night, for the update and prep video. And I'll see you in that, and then I will see y'all back here tomorrow morning again. So I will talk to y'all then. You're welcome, Boom. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I know. Next to you with a number 30 on. Yeah. Yep. Thank you all for this continued support. Mods, thank you for showing up half the day. Hey, Drake, thank you for being the full-time mod today, brother. On a wing like that, I appreciate it, man. And I will see you all either in the video here in a couple hours, and I better, or first thing tomorrow morning in the live stream, as usual, right here at 9 a.m. for Market Open. Talk to y'all then, and enjoy your night. Get that video out there. Help me do that. Let's see what we can do. Thank y'all. Love you. Talk to you soon.